Imagine, pagising mo, lahat ng bilihin biglang nagmahal. If oil hits $200 per barrel, this will be difficult for the Philippines. With what's going on now with the US and Iran, this conflict is happening in the Middle East, but we are heavily affected here in the Philippines. First thing that could happen is the demand for dollar dramatically increases, which means kailangan natin ng mas maraming dollar to purchase oil for our country. Then, this will cause a currency devaluation of the Philippine peso. Dati nasa 50, nasa 55, nasa 58 yung dollar, ngayon nasa 60 na. And it could go to 65, 70 or more, which is worse for us. And there's nothing you can do about it. Second thing that could happen is a domino effect on expenses. Tataas lalo ang gas, then yung kuryente, then yung pagkain, sunod-sunod ang pagtaas ng mga bilihin. Yung mga everyday expenses mo could be doubled or more. Pero yung income mo, hindi siya gagalaw. Third thing that could happen is it would cause panic to everyone. People rush to protect their money, yung mga negosyo, they will scramble for more dollars, lalong bumabagsak ang piso. Then the final hit, the economy slows down. Mawawala ng mga trabaho yung mga tao. And now, recession becomes real. At ang pinakatatamaan is ikaw, yung araw-araw nagtatrabaho pero mas lalo ka lang nahihirapan. So the real question here is, handa ka ba and handa ba yung pamilya mo if this happens? Again, this is only an if statement. This is only if oil becomes $200 per barrel.